In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on Alibaba. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just someone who loves to keep track of your purchase history, knowing how to check your orders on Alibaba is crucial. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way to make sure you can do it effortlessly. First, let's start by accessing the Alibaba website or opening the Alibaba app on your mobile device. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Alibaba account. This is important because only after logging in can you access your order details. If you're using a web browser, you'll find the login option at the top right corner of the home page. Simply click on it, enter your credentials, and voila, you're in. After logging in, you'll notice the My Alibaba section right up at the top right corner. Hover your cursor over this section and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, you'll have the option to click on Orders or Manage Orders. Feel free to select either one, as both options will take you to your order history. Once you click through, you'll be presented with a list of all your orders. This list includes both your recent orders and those that are pending, as well as those that you've already completed. It's a comprehensive overview of all your shopping activities on the platform, and it's wonderfully organized for easy navigation. Now, suppose you want more details about a specific order. Simply click or tap on that particular order from the list. Here's where things get a bit more detailed. You'll immediately see a host of information right at your fingertips. This includes items purchased, the supplier's information, your unique order number, and the payment method you used. If shipping is involved, you'll also have access to shipping details and, when available, a tracking number. This ensures that you have everything you need to track your order's journey from the supplier to your doorstep. Moreover, you'll also find the order status prominently displayed. This tells you whether your order is awaiting payment, currently being processed, has been shipped, or if it's completed. Keeping an eye on the status helps in managing expectations and knowing exactly where your order stands at any given moment. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and access your order information on Alibaba, optimizing your online shopping experience. I hope this tutorial was helpful and equips you with the tools you need to effortlessly check your